Hello, I'm Richard Hunter and welcome to our look ahead for the week commencing the 10th of February. It's the coronavirus which continues to grab the headlines. Still not entirely sure just how widespread the outbreak has been. Nonetheless, it's enough to have been keeping markets busy. Probably one of the markets which has been most affected, ironically, is actually the UK, but we'll get to that in a moment. In an interesting turn of events, China has actually decided to reduce half or so of the tariffs it's currently imposing on the US in an effort to kickstart its own economy, which is clearly suffering. That, coupled with a very strong reporting season in the States, has meant that already in mid-February, US markets are on something of a tear. The Dow Jones is already up 3% in the year to date, the S&P 500 is up 3.6%, and the Nasdaq, the technology index, is up 6.7%. We've seen continuing strength in share prices from the likes of Microsoft and Apple, and the latest contributor to that runaway success has been Twitter. The fourth quarter earnings season in the States is starting now to wind down. Next week, for example, we've got updates from the likes of Coca-Cola and Cisco, but not too many more. So the UK, this has been the market which has been the main downside effect of the coronavirus, largely because of the FTSE 100's exposure, in particular to basic resources, the miners, and of course the oil stocks. The FTSE 100 is actually down 1.1% in the year to date. So turning to next week, there's a few notable companies that are going to be reporting. Again, staying on the travel theme, which obviously has been very much impacted by the coronavirus. We've got first quarter numbers coming from TUI Travel. We've also got a full year update from Ocado, where we would hope to hear some sort of update on the progress it's currently having in its joint venture with Marks and Spencer. Next week also marks the start of the UK Bank's full year reporting season, and kicking us off is Barclays on Thursday, followed by RBS on Friday. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.